And a reminder, the citywide speed limit for Rochester has been lowered to 25 miles an hour.
Now, roads with higher volumes or ones that are owned by the county or state are not expected to see a change. Our Sarah Gannon spoke with local officials. Sarah, how quickly will this be enforced?
Well, Tom and Caitlin, at this point in time, the city is still in an educational phase, but ticketing is expected in the near future for violators. The Rochester City Council approved this decision in late 2020, and Public Works began the rollout this spring, which is set to take about 6 months to add and update speed limit signs around the community.
After a change at the state level, the push for slower driving speeds in residential areas continues, and in Rochester, streets are being dropped to 25 miles per hour.
In 2019, the state of Minnesota changed how local speed limits can be determined and gave that authority to local jurisdictions. So after that change was made at the state level, the City Council directed Public Works to do a review, do a study, and see if it made sense to make changes at the local level.
The City Council a number of months ago worked on a compromise. Initially, the staff had suggested 20 miles per hour and we compromised at 25.
Roads with larger volumes of people traveling on them each day will not be impacted by this change. It will be the neighborhood roads and any that does not have a posted speed limit sign.
As soon as that sign was posted on that street, that new speed limit took effect. Citywide, the speed limit of 25 on unmarked streets took effect as soon as the first gateway sign was posted. That's one that kind of says, in Rochester, unmarked streets are 25 miles per hour, and those are scattered about the community.
And although change can be difficult at first, the city says this is what the public wants.
Part of it has to do with an increased desire for people to walk and bike, and as more people bike, they realize how unsafe it is to be on the road, sharing that road with cars and trucks.
Now, if you're curious on whether or not a speed limit change has happened on roads you frequently travel, we'll post a link to it on the web version of the story at kddc.com. Tom and Caitlin, back to you.
All right, Sarah.